From the providers, POWIFY is a 10.26-inch CarPlay, Apple iOS, Android, Google, with a 4K dash cam forward and a 1080p camera backward. What we're going to do is demonstrate in the car only and show you what this product is about. So we're going to open up the product and show you what you get inside the box. For further detail about the product and the performances, do check online for further information. As we open up the box, it is nicely packaged, protected with foam. You have an instruction guide, information on top. Removing out of the film, you have the 10-inch screen protected. Underneath will be all your accessories and cables, your power supply, TRS to TRS cables, a suction cup arm, your backup camera for installation, a removable tool to take off your dash, a spanner tool to get between the dashes and crevices of the car to run your leads, some hardware adhesive screws, a precision Phillips screwdriver, some micro precision screws, and the instruction guide to go over. For in-car demonstration, you have a USB-A port, 12-volt to 5-volt adapter, USB-C compliance, that we're going to plug in our own power supply to the back of the unit via the USB-C port located on the side. We have a micro SD card slot, the 3.5 millimeter slots, and a reset button. We have the mounting bracket that's self-adhesive with screws for permanent mounts, and a camera that is liftable up and down. Remove all film and adjustments to take on and off with the power button on top. Showing you that the language is started up, that it is touchscreen to English by pressing on the unit and hitting next. We are now able to set up the date and more. The unit will come on with its logo into a language. Choose the languages you want. Next. Set up your date. Next. Set up for your connection. Next. Using auxiliary cable or wireless. Next. The unit has an FM station. You can connect FM stereo sounds of your choice. Next. This is telling you it's going to be hooked up to your speakers. Next. We are now on the main screen. DVR, CarPlay, Android, playback, audio channel, AirPlay, Android, cast, and settings. On the side is your date, home, brightness, sound, on and off, as well as the top. If we press on DVR, it shows us the camera in the front. Located here, we're able to adjust up and down and rotate on a pivot the lens. Please remember to peel the film off of the camera's lens. As the unit is recording in 2K and the bullet of record, the SD card, a microphone, lock, unlock, record, playback, showing you its 2K, H.265, and settings. While recording, we can open up, the record stops, we have a screen projection, driving position, resolution, loop recording, the microphone, G sensor, screensaver, rear video mirror. That'll be hooking up your cables and your camera to the back. Language, date, time, applications, format your card, factory reset with the reset button in the back as well. Your power on, audible sound, and about the unit. We have here is the brightness level that you simply could adjust the brightness by tapping, auto, or manual. You have the audible sound that you can mute and raise. There's the audible. And then you return back to the camera. If you hit the home button, you go back to the main screen. This automatically records. If we hit playback, we're able to see the front normal video, the front locked video, the rear normal video, and rear locked videos. If we wanted to choose a channel of the radio station, we had that information at the beginning. It shows you that you have the FM transmitter, you hooked up, picking your stations and saving them. Download the application known as VIIDURE. Follow the instructions. Allowed to connect to Bluetooth and connecting. Add your camera, connect to Bluetooth, connect to the T93, and add in the password. Whatever it is on the phone, the screen of the Apple Carplay and a 10-point-inch screen will dim down and off. Asking you to connect to the camera, hook up the camera via the 3.5 jack and the power leads. Located on the side of the unit, plug in your camera. With the application, you have the choices in the albums, AI editing to pick different types of workshops and backgrounds in editing. We're going into CarPlay. We need to set up our unit by going into Bluetooth and pairing. The 2.5 TRS to TRS cable plugs into the auxiliary port located and ran up to the monitor. The 12-volt adapter plugs into your outlet with the optional plug, and the cable is ran up to the monitor. For sticking, peel off, place on, or screw holes, screw down. Unscrew the back, remove, and remove all 4 screws. With each of the screws back into the holes of the suction mount, place on and lock down. On the window, place on with force, lock down, and start to adjust to the angle and length you need. Your options are to secure into the sides wherever you need to put in to your car with the tool. With the camera and the lead, plug in to the side. With the tool, start to put through the side and the camera to the back. In this demonstration, we're going to take the tool, lift up, and put our leads in. Our demonstrations, our camera goes in here. Wires are tucked in. And shown to the back rear view mirror. When all hooked up, your rear view camera will come on. The power gets hooked up to reverse lights. We are with the power. By choosing the Bluetooth, pairing, allow, hit home, and we're set up with the front camera by adjusting, making a phone call, playing music, maps, message now playing, and so forth. Siri, what's the weather? Siri, how is the weather today? We have options for driving focus, activate with CarPlay, and so forth. There's a lot we can do with this unit. You have a maps that you could go in and see your maps. You could go into the settings, announce messages, and so forth. When removing, simply just lift, pull the suction tab, you're able to rotate and take off. With today's technology added to your existing old style car, you have a 10.20-inch display monitoring system with a 4K front, 1080p reverse camera with an audible speaker that plays FM through your home speakers of the car and more. It gives you GPS navigation, plays audible books, open up an app. You could do just about anything imaginable with these CarPlay items. I hope you enjoy your product if this is what you are looking for. Thank you for viewing.